na Unduire ni Ismail Maalim Nioritie Mbeu Njithi gukorwo makiigithia hari Uthunduri na Ukinyaniria wa Kiriu niguo makorwo makihota gwithondekera mieke ya mawira ari ta njira ya kuhurana na thina uria ukigomeire Mbeu Njithi wigi Wagi wa Mawira akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Mombatha gĩikaro-inĩ na anyiti itemi ngũrani Ukuria Taranda augite ati thirikari ni irongoreirie gutigirira ati ni yaigithia makiria sekta-ini iyo gukorwo magikuria aini hamwe na aria mena taranda ngũrani.
The government is trying to put a structure through asking the stakeholders to come together, join associations, form a structure. If they're in film, they should speak as a forum of film. If you look at this sector of creative economy, that organization does not exist. It's just mentioned by its bigger name, creative economy. If it's film, it's disorganized. If it's music, it's disorganized. There's no structure. So we are very confident and we are fond of saying this economy generates a certain percentage to the GDP of our nation, which if we ask the sector leaders how that, nobody can explain to anybody. So it's just something that is hypothetical theory that has not been measured.
We are trying to explore different ways that we can use to fulfill the development agenda of this country. For example, this administration is very keen in leveraging on the private sector to ensure that we drive the development agenda in this country in relations to airports, in relation to seaports, and in relation to different facets or subsectors of our transport.
Na ripoti iyo igi Ukuria wa Mbeu